What's up, guys? Have you heard about control structure? So, before we begin, let me introduce myself. I'm Libby C. Pukot. This is my PowerPoint presentation about control structure. So, first, iterating algorithm. You have you have to familiarize yourself with different flowcharting symbols and their usage, including the labels and notation, which helps describe the steps and the flowchart. So, ang kuan din, no, ang iterating algorithm kay kuan siya may part gyapon siya sa flowchart niya. Magamit gyapon niya i-familiarize nimo siya, no, para dali ra siya. So, mao siya. So, pasensya sa kuan, no, mga saba diyo sa palibot. So, there are three basic structures. First, linear. Second, relational or selection loop. And third, loop. So linear structure is nothing more than showing of the sequential execution of processing statement as logically described in the flowchart. So linear structure sometimes contain processes that do not require evaluation or branching out of control and therefore can stand independently without the others. So kaning kuan din, no, linear structure kay di na siya magsalig sa uban ba, makabarog ra siya og iya. So mao siya. Sometimes contain process that do not require evaluation or branching out controls therefore can be stand in. So mao to, no, tong explain ko karon pa na siya mao na siya ang example. Draw a flowchart to enter two numbers through the keyboard and then display their sum on the screen. So now let us take a step and deal with this. Now, mo siya define A as a container or variable for the first value. Define B as container or variable for the second value. So uh, define S as container or variable for the sum and the first and the second value. So mo siya. So recursive step. This flowchart is a linear construct designed to perform a single fast processing. But what if the same class of processing need to have be done twice? So one siya, no? Kung gibali ang isa ka pan ba class bitaw ma-process siya sa ikaduha. So unsay mahitabo? So gani basahan nato to. Well, the linear structure will be still able to handle it. Well, it can be done still. So let us consider which show this possibility. So, kuan po, no? Bisag duha na nimo kaduha siya nimo na kuan himo mo kuan gyapon siya ma-handle gyapon nimo siya kay kuan man siya dali ra man siya magamit. O na let us consider which of this possibility. So dali ra niyo siya makuan consider kung unsay mali sa imong kuan ibuhat. So mo ni siya example. So start A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, S is equal to 0. So mo siya input A and B. So arrow down na buka. So ang S mo ning sum, yeah, S equals to A plus B. So mo siya display ang S. So input A and B. So mo ning sum. So equal sa pud siya A plus B. So pag gumanay mo sa 1 add, so mo-display na siya 1 sa sum. So ang sum niya is 0. So 0 ang sum niya. So diyan na pud ka ma-stop. So next slide. Linear and relationship to loop structure. The previous example as illustrated in the figure 3 to show how the recurrence of certain steps help achieve the second round of input processing before it ends. So, ipakita sa example 3 to 2, no, kani siya kung giunsa niya yung paghimo. So, nagkuan siya ni nagbalik-balik, na repeat process fast kani siya. No? Next, linear algebraic. So mo na siya karon na ang example. ah, so nibalik gyapon siya diri ah, re- relational structure. The diamond symbol in the flowcharting is used to indicate a conditional path. The appropriate step placed on either path, if any, are executed depending on the outcome of the test, which could be lead to either true or false answer. So duha ra gid siya paingnan no kung sakto ba or mali imong answer. So mo ni siya relational structure na test statement 1 and statement 2. So sa kwanta una no statement 1, so no path, so wala siya paingnan. Step to take when the answer is no, so tama ka diri kung no imong answer. So pika statement to, step to take with when the answer is yes, so diri ka tama ka kung sakto ba. Hmm. Relational operators. The truth value of comparison or expression can be determined through the use of F6 relational operation as shown below. So mani no, ani kita diri. So mo po ni siya yung mga operators na equals, less than, greater than, not equal, less than or equal, greater than or equal. So mo siya. Nested relationship, a rational structure. A simple evaluation process, and that is by comparing two values in a single decision box or symbol with the path of another decision construct constitute. So mo siya no. Simple evaluation. So dali ra gid siya. Ikuha na nimo i-compare natin ang duha kung one ba box ba or one simple. Loop structure must have and that is two terminated at certain point when a certain condition is met. So kay no, ang loop structure kay mobalik siya kung sakto na ba ang gihatag niya nga one answer or mosobra. Like this na start statement 1, statement 2. So kita niyo diamond. So then ang test na mobalik siya, mo-loop siya, mobalik siya kung sakto na ba imong answer. Ya kung mali, mo diretso sa diri statement 3 mo siya ang stop na. Infinite loop. When the execution of step is repeatedly done without let up and without definite ending point. So ang infinite loop no kay nang way katapusan. Like ngani, wa siya ikahumanan, infinite loop. Magbalik-balik kita siya premi. Wa siya ikahumanan. So controlled loop. The loop must be guarded with at least one definite exit point. When a flowchart is equipped with definite measure of loop, so stop page. So mo no. Now, mo siya control loop. Ayan, mo siya control loop. Mo example niya. Kung gibali mahuman na. So may start na siya kung makuha na nimo ang yang input. Mo siya yung value na A is equal to 777. So direction lagi na po siya sa is equal to A plus B, so display S na po. So balik na po siya, repeat na po siya makuha na niya. Pag makuha na niya, mo stop dayon. Thank you. So salamat sa pag-paminaw niyo no. So magkita-kita na po ta sa sunod nako nga PPT. So mao na to guys, amping tanan, salamat.